Imagine you're sitting in your living room, scrolling through your phone, and suddenly a thought pops into your head. What is my Coinbase wallet address? You're probably not alone. It's a question that many people who use Coinbase have asked themselves at least once. So, let's dive into the world of Coinbase wallets and figure out how to find your unique address. Before we get to the main event, let's quickly understand what a Coinbase wallet is and why it's important. Think of it as your digital wallet, a secure place to store your cryptocurrency. It's like a physical wallet, but instead of holding cash and cards, it holds digital assets. Every Coinbase wallet has a unique address. It's a string of characters that look something like this: 0x1234567890 ABCDEF 123456789 ABCDEF. This address is crucial because it's how other people can send cryptocurrency to you. It's like your bank account number, but for the digital world, asterisk. Finding your Coinbase wallet address. Now, let's get to the point. How do you find your Coinbase wallet address? It's actually pretty simple. Open the Coinbase app. If you haven't already, download and install the Coinbase app on your smartphone. Tap on the Wallet tab. Look for the tab labeled Wallet or something similar. This is where you'll find your digital wallet. Select your wallet. If you have multiple wallets, choose the one you want to find the address for. View your address. Tap on the wallet itself, and you should see your address displayed at the top of the screen. That's it. You found your Coinbase wallet address. Security tips. Now that you know your address, it's important to keep it safe. Here are a few security tips. Don't share publicly. Never share your Coinbase wallet address publicly, especially on social media or in online forums. It's like giving someone your bank account number. Verify addresses. Before sending cryptocurrency to someone, always double-check their address to avoid sending it to the wrong person. Enable two-factor authentication. This adds an extra layer of security to your account, making it harder for hackers to access. So, there you have it. Finding your Coinbase wallet address is a straightforward process. Remember, keep your address safe and always verify addresses before sending cryptocurrency. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.